Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of knowing the input tax credit or ITC at risk in the bills payable GST report in Tally Prime. With the connected GST experience introduced in Tally Prime Release 5.0, you have the GST portal data just a few clicks away. And you get to know the ITC at risk. Sometimes there might be mismatch between the amount in your voucher and that uploaded by the supplier. It might also happen that your supplier has not uploaded the invoice on the GST portal. In such cases, the bills payable GST report shows ITC at risk. Thereafter, you can connect with the seller to understand the discrepancy and settle bills with an appropriate amount. Let's see how to view the bills payable report from GST perspective. Press Alt-G. Type or select Bills Payable GST Predefined View and press Enter. Here, you can view pending amount, ITC at risk, and the balance pending after considering ITC at risk. This makes it easier for you to settle the bill with the appropriate amount. You will not need to calculate the amount after considering the ITC at risk. Now, if you need to know how the difference in amount is calculated, then you can view GST info. Press F7. You get to know the amount in books and that on the GST portal. The difference in amount is considered as the ITC at risk. And you also get to know the balance amount to be paid to the seller after considering the ITC at risk. Press Escape to go back to the report. Now, you can see that the GST status of this voucher is mismatched. A bill may have one or more purchases under it. The ITC at risk for a bill is the difference in the ITC of each voucher. Press Shift-Enter on the bill to view the voucher details. Now, if you want to know more about the difference between amounts in books and the downloaded voucher, then go to the GST portal view. Place the cursor on the voucher and press Alt-R. Press F8 to show the portal values. This enables you to view the values in the books and that on the portal. Therefore, you will know the source of mismatch. Moreover, you also get to know the tax type breakup along with the rates and amounts. Now, press F9 to view the report in the differential mode. You get to know the differences in the amount as applicable. Press Escape to get back to the bills payable GST report. Even though you know the ITC at risk, you might want to override it and set the status of the voucher as reconciled. Let's see how to set the GST status of vouchers. You will want to mark the voucher as reconciled if the bill is too old and you do not expect the seller to upload it in the future. It might be possible that the difference in amount is minimal. Therefore, you don't consider it a risk amount. Or consider that the bill belongs to your own branch or a subsidiary company and hence, you don't consider it a risk amount. In such cases, press Alt-V to set GST status. Set the status as reconciled. Press Ctrl+A to save. Subsequently, there will be no difference in the tax amount in the bills payable GST report. As you saw, Tally Prime significantly improves your journey of uploading and filing GST returns as you know the details uploaded by your seller. And you also get to know the ITC at risk and take corrective measures based on your business practices. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.